Right, there is a walkway up there. We've got to be aware of it so we don't open any doors to the walkway because it goes across the Hoover Factory. Reese, we're not taking a chance.
Come on, let's go. Okay. Yeah.
We need to take that thing because it's like a rabbit's warren.
Go on, then we're following you.
Oi! You all need to try and stay together, it's like a rabbit's warren here.
Okay guys, we're inside the Hoover Factory.
That's why I know that's all.
A lot of us, as you can see, there's a group of us. All urbex explorers met up.
We might be finding on the next floor.
Okay, we're with top abandoned places. It's me, Diabito 46, Blue Eye Gaming, and James Painter. We've also brought along a paranormal researcher. Down or up do we go? Down or up? Okay guys, we're at the stairs.
Right, so guys, we're going
Okay, this is the type of view we're having. Okay guys, a lot of pigeon shit on the floor. Which way are we going? Down that way, is it? Where is it? Down here? Ah.
see, there's the roof.
There's a hole there.
There's the roof.
Yeah.
There's no pigeons yet, there might be up on the fourth floor.
Okay, don't think I need my light on.
No?
No, picking it up anyway. It just causes attraction for a minute. That's why we turned these off. Don't go in there, James. Come on. There's the walkway there, isn't it? Down there. There's one in there. There they are. Yeah. As you can see this, guys. If you look out there, there's the walkway across. Okay guys, as you can see, there's pigeons in the roof. Yeah. just a small room.
Yeah. Some bathroom. Fall down on that. Is that an old fire? Call that.
Don't know. 4 is probably the dial out.
Right.
Okay guys,
You're in here.
that's just a room. Hang on. We're on an emergency exit. And there's the stairs leading out.
It's all open this. Oh, if you're going out, come out.
Shh. It's in the server room, is it, Reese?
Thanks, everyone.
It's not? No?
Alright, come on.
There's an emergency fire exit that way.
So
Wait.
We're expecting it to come behind us then.
You've got some place to do a paranormal activity, is it?
No. There's actually another one.
So we're obviously not the first people in here. Over time there's been a lot of vandalism. You see, a lot of graffiti. So this is the second floor anyway. This used to be the bathroom, obviously. Okay guys, so as you know I do my filming in 10-minute intervals. It's coming close to the end. So won't be long before I end my first one, start my second one. Okay guys, you can hear pigeons in the holes there, over the vents. So there's the group all together. I've organised up again. Looks like we're going to the 3rd floor, or 2nd floor really.